You want to earn money quickly. I mean, if you're looking to make money immediately, then this video is for you. Yes, this free app that will pay you instantly with just a click. Today, I'm going to show you an app that makes you money instantly by clicking on a link sent via an email. But before I tell you about this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for the new videos like this in the future. Now let me tell you something. I've tried this method and you know what? I will say, yes, it worked like a charm. How amazing to see your PayPal account updated with the money, and sometimes we're in dire need of cash. This here will not make you just a couple of dollars, but it will pay you a couple of hundred or maybe thousands even. A life-changing income. This app is available everywhere around the globe, whether you are in India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh, or even Australia. Are you ready to learn this amazing method so you can go enjoy the rest of the day with the money you earn from this platform? My secret to earning quick and easy money online. For this, you would need to download either Gmail or Outlook, or you can even download Yahoo on your smartphone device. I want you to sign up. That is, if you don't have an account on those apps. Since I use Gmail, I downloaded that for myself. You can create an account absolutely free with your name and unique password, and with also a unique username. Then click next and you will see you have created a Gmail account. Once you're done making an email address for yourself, I want you to go down in the description and click on the link that I have provided. There are proofs of earning from different countries on the website, from different countries all around the world, from places like Brazil, India, Sweden, Kenya. Every minute, every single minute, you get instant payments, and payments all around the globe. So keep watching this video and I will show you the entire procedure and a mistake that you will need to avoid actually to start making money. If you go straight to this website and try to figure out what you must do, then you will probably end up making this mistake. Need not to worry, it isn't a scam, nor it is something difficult. It's very easy, just have to make sure a few things. So go on and click on the link in the description. Now you will make something like, say, $0.04 for every email you click. What happens is they send out advertisements on your email, and all you have to do is click on the link on the email and an advertisement pops up with the timer. You have to make sure you watch the ad till the timer ends, and voila, you're paid. But there are simple earning options, so you can create like multiple streams of income, because reading emails is just one option. Then you have multiple weapons, or the term we use is commissions, to earn even more money. I'm going to say this again. This is 100% secure, 100% legit, not a scam. So you don't have to worry, because they also use two-factor authentication. Plus, it is really transparent that your earnings can be tracked and verified inside your account, that is on your dashboard. The main reason you use this platform, because it pays instantly. Plus, it is smartphone friendly. You can literally use your phone to view its emails and get paid instantly. And you can even request a payout. They will pay you in minutes. Within minutes means minutes. It literally just gives you the money once you start watching their ads that they send on your email. You click on the ad, it has a timer, it will give you that ad for the time you have to watch. Once that's done, you've earned ad revenue. Perfect, right? So once that is done, you will go back to this platform and see that your dashboard has been updated with the same money. Let me tell you, they even pay you for 1 cent. 1 cent. So imagine you withdraw 1 cent to your PayPal account. And let me tell you, once you click withdraw, instantly you receive that money into your bank account or wherever you choose the option to receive money. This makes this website really unique. But hey, there's this one mistake that you must avoid. Thus, people are using this app all around the globe, making money. So don't make that mistake, just keep watching the video. So go on and click on the link on the description below and create your account with your valid email address along with your legal name. Plus add the email you want to receive emails on. Accept the terms and conditions as well and click the radio boxes if you want to receive like their marketing emails or anything such. Then click on registration. They will send you the link to verify and register, so go click on to that as well to activate your account. After you register, just log into your account. This is where you'll be able to track your earnings and start making some money. Then withdraw it with just one click. If you have some friends, then you can benefit from this as well. Just send them your affiliate link, or as we say, the referral link to your friends, so they can make easy money online as well. Plus, you get commissions from their earnings as well. So win-win bonus for both. If they register, you will make some money as well, some extra income you can make. Now, I want you to do is, you won't start making money unless you take this step. I want you to go back to your email and you will find that they have a second email as well. If you won't take this step, you will not be able to make money. Again, I'm just trying to confirm you take this step. So in this platform, what they do is they send out a second email. So go back to the email and find their second email. You must take the steps written on the email. But here's the thing. On the email, they will ask you to add their contact by clicking the three dots on the email. When we do that, we don't see any option that says add a contact. For that, what you will need to do, you will need to go on top of your web page. You will see these 9 dots. So I want you to click on those 9 dots and Google Apps will pop down. Go on and click the contacts. You will see a contacts page open. Add them into your contacts. So create a new contact for this platform and make sure to add their name, the correct name, first name and last name. This step is really important if you want to start earning money. Once your step is complete, this important last step, you will start receiving emails and you will be making money, which you will be able to withdraw. They are basically splitting the ad revenue with you. So again, basically a win-win situation here as well, right? How easy was that? I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and a comment below. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos such as this in the future. This is it from Money Heist, and I will see you next time.